Welcome to Session 3, Proportions and Cross Products. A proportion is an equation saying that two ratios are equivalent. For example, 3/4 equals x over 20. One ratio is complete, and the other has a missing value. The most important setup habit is label consistency. If the first ratio is small cups over large cups, the second ratio must use the same order. If you switch the labels, the numbers may still look neat, but the equation can represent the wrong situation. Let's solve 3/4 equals x over 20. Step 1. Write the proportion. 3/4 equals x over 20. Step 2. Multiply opposite corners. 3 times 20 equals 4 times x. Step 3. Simplify. 60 equals 4x. Step 4. Divide by 4. X equals 15. Cross products are not magic. They work because multiplying by both denominators clears the fractions. The shortcut is useful, but the labels are still the steering system. Try a real situation. A printer makes 3 posters in 4 minutes. At the same rate, how many posters can it make in 20 minutes? Set up posters over minutes. 3/4 equals x over 20. Cross-multiply to get 3 times 20 equals 4x. That gives 60 equals 4x. So x equals 15 posters. Now work backward. A mix uses 2 cups of concentrate for 5 cups of water. How much concentrate is needed for 20 cups of water? Use concentrate over water. 2/5 equals x over 20. Cross products give 2 times 20 equals 5x. So 40 equals 5x, and x equals 8 cups of concentrate. Here is the common error: multiplying numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. In a proportion, cross products use opposite corners, not same level pairs. Another trap is setting up the order differently on the two sides, such as posters over minutes on the left but minutes over posters on the right. The equation becomes inconsistent. Before solving, pause and write the labels above the ratios. After solving, ask whether the answer size makes sense. 20 minutes is 5 times 4 minutes, so the posters should be 5 times 3, which is 15. That quick sense check catches many mistakes. The big idea is this: a proportion compares equal ratios. Cross products solve the missing value, but correct labels create the correct equation.